300 Nerdcore. Engineering and architecture professional use Autocad for engineering and architecture design. A power system is required to complete effective tasks and output source-readable files for builders and engineers to follow. Our systems are heavily designed and integrated for supreme outputting and controlling render graphics are at the highest possible quality whilst using our CAD systems. We ensure you can interact on other platforms to share your drawings. These drawings are live over your network and can be shared together. Ring 300 Nerdcore today to speak to a recognized consultant. Autocad is a commercial computer-aided design CAD and drafting software application. Developed and marketed by Autodesk, Autocad was first released around 1982 as a desktop app running on supercomputers with internal graphics controllers. Before Autocad was introduced, most commercial CAD programs ran on mainframe computers or mini-computers, with each CAD operators or users working at a separate graphics terminal. Since 2010, Autocad was released as a mobile and web app as well, marketed as Autocad 360. Ring 300 Nerdcore today to speak to a recognized consultant. Autocad is used across a wide range of industries, by architects, project managers, engineers, graphic designers, town planners and many other professionals. It was supported by 750 training centers worldwide to start the first architecture drawing implementation software for engineers. The most recent version of Autocad 2019. This version of Autocad was the full complete version, and since after a version called Autocad LT and Autocad Student were introduced to accommodate for the light user of this application. Both supported on Windows and Mac, the version was very user-friendly and easy to adopt from one version to the new version. Along the way, this program gained many different competitors trying to outrank this version, but till this day it is still the sought-after program and nothing can really compete with the internal tools that Autodesk have developed. The third-party add-on tools are AutoCAD Advanced Steel, AutoCAD Architecture, AutoCAD Civil 3D, AutoCAD Electrical, AutoCAD Xcode, AutoCAD Map 3D, AutoCAD Mech, AutoCAD MEP, AutoCAD Structural Detailing, AutoCAD Utility Design, AutoCAD PNID, AutoCAD Plant 3D. While engineering and architecture businesses may not require the high levels of compliance as some industries, they still require of systems. After all, they're often presenting designs to clients and the last thing they need is a system failure resulting in a client choosing the competition. Thanks to advances in technology, industry professionals are able to work remotely. However, this is only effective if they're utilizing the right hardware and tools to stay in contact, collaborate and turn visions into reality. System delays or glitches can ruin a project. Implementing industry-specific software. Engineering and architecture businesses require specific types of software for design, and these aren't always easy to implement and manage. We work with you to ensure the solutions that are best suited to your needs are installed correctly and that you fully understand how they work, how they help your business and how to use any security features. We're also available for IT support for updating software and ensuring it's accessible on all devices. Ring 300 Nerdcore today to speak to a recognized consultant. Collaboration and security. Collaboration is crucial as members of a team may work in multiple locations at any given time. Cloud services work well for storing files that are accessible by everyone. Collaboration systems, such as SharePoint and Slack, help teams stay in contact and work on a project together, even remotely. Ring 300 Nerdcore today to speak to a recognized consultant. However, with all the sharing, security becomes a concern. From software app-specific permissions to overall network security and mobile device management, we ensure teams are able to work from anywhere on any device without compromising security. The result is your engineering or architecture business is more productive and isn't brought to a standstill by IT issues. Ring 300 Nerdcore today to speak to a recognized consultant. Does your architecture or engineering business need IT support services and better IT solutions?